Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at the present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous. Which one do you choose, when and why? We use the present perfect simple to talk about a past activity that is completed sometime before now, before speaking. For example, we've painted our apartment. We've painted, the third form, paint, painted, painted. We've painted our apartment. It's now decorated, it looks good, it's fantastic. Or, Anne has mended her bicycle. Now she can ride it. Before it was broken, now she can ride it again. Anne has mended her bicycle. We use the present perfect continuous to emphasize the activity itself, not so much its completion. Maybe it isn't completed yet. Maybe you're still working on it. But we emphasize the action with continuous because continuous has duration, beginning and an end. For example, we've been painting our apartment. We have been painting. We've been painting our apartment, which is why you can still smell the paint. Or, Anne has been mending her bicycle. It isn't fixed yet. She can't quite ride it yet, but maybe when she finishes the work, she will be able to in the future. So, we have been painting our apartment and Anne has been mending her bicycle. Anne's hands are still dirty, so Anne, go and wash them. English grammar, present perfect simple and present perfect continuous. They are easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.